Do you ever open your TikTok and your camera just refuses to work? Black screen, no preview or nothing. This tiny settings toggle is why, and I'll show you exactly how to fix it in less than 2 minutes. So, there are 10 possible reasons why your TikTok camera is not working. And first is, TikTok has no access to your camera. There also might be bugs in the apps, outdated TikTok versions, insufficient storage and cache, conflicting apps which may interfere with the camera, third-party emulator issues, incorrect camera settings, and so on. So basically, how to make it work again. First, allow TikTok app to use the camera. On your Android or your iPhone, simply just go to the settings and give the permission. Then you want to restart the TikTok app. Simply just close the app and open the app again. Then lastly is to reboot your device or restart your device. And after that, your camera will start working again for TikTok. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.